Alright, it's time to go stage 2 plus. I'm at work, so the video is going to be a little weird recording wise. I'm just going to start jerking everything off. Try to figure out exactly what I got. I got like 2 days to get this done. So we've ran into an actual problem. This car's been sitting here for probably a week now since I tore it apart. They sent me the wrong injectors, so I'm kind of waiting. I overnighted some, but with all the holidays, it's taking forever. When going K04, you actually don't want S3 injectors, you want Golf R injectors. But everything says S3. So kind of aggravating. I mean, I even asked and didn't get a reply, and they sent me the wrong ones anyways after I like specifically asked them to make sure it was the right ones. But it's all been handled now. So part of upgrading is upgrading the high pressure. I have a 034 Motorsports in there. You can just see how wore out this is. And the lifter for the cam is completely destroyed. So it's like a known problem with the Audi. So either way, this car was about to leave me stranded. All right, so we got the new injectors. They're Hudson's. You could probably take that part number. These are going to be the cheaper option. They're aftermarket, but they are Golf R injectors. You can get them at ECS, probably at Euro and all the other like European stuff sites. So I went ahead and ordered new clips for all the injectors because all the old ones broke, which I think is a pretty normal thing. But I went ahead and cleaned, you know, around the intake and stuff. And I'm just sliding these injectors down in, making sure they're like down and in that slot. You know, there's like a little slot right here. And all it does is just holds, you know, the edge of the connector right here and just keeps them kind of lined up. Doing a little cold start here just to kind of, there you go, get quiet. Kind of look for leaks and stuff. I hear air, but I'm not sure where it's coming from. Might have to check vacuum. And this sitting where it normally does. I wish I would have recorded in the beginning. It was like shooting out little pops. The leak is coming from this evap, which is normal. I mean, it's not normal, but it's like a normal Audi thing. It probably needs to be replaced again. I need to drop some coolant in here and then see if it's going to leak with the coolant. So right now I'm going through the flashing process of everything. So I had to select the tune. There was like stage 2s, 1s, all that stuff. All this stuff's pretty explanatory actually. It's just like tuning a Z. Doing a first little drive to just go home for the day. Kind of see how the car acts. I'm not trying to be too hard on it. It does pull a lot harder, but I'm not like trying to beat on it right now. I was gonna take more video of the process, but me trying to take a video is actually messing up the tuning because I was using phone data. So I had to stop recording, unfortunately. It's actually misfiring really bad now whenever I try to go into boost. So when I first downloaded the tune, the car didn't want to start. And like when I first built everything, I started the car normally without like the tune and everything. The car started and ran just fine. Now with the tune, it's like wanting to misfire and stuff, so I might have to contact a Unitronic. I mean, I'll check the plugs, make sure it's not something on my end, but vacuum's right so far at idle, which shows that there isn't like an intake leak. But I need to make sure, you know, that I chose the right tune or whatever. I got it in manual mode. I'll try to get a clip. See, it's like misfiring really bad. So it's the next day. I haven't cleared the check engine light, but I did pull the plugs and they were auto lights and they were at like a 0.04 gap. So now it's got NGKs at a 0.028. NGK was pretty close to 0.028 as advertised anyways. But just traffic right now, leaving work, I haven't really had a chance to like do too much. So I'm actually kind of throwing the swag pack on the car real quick. I've been driving it for, I'll say 3 weeks with the Stage 2 Plus tune. So far everything's good. It just, the plugs really had to be gapped. Me and my buddy over there. And today again, I'm just putting on my swag pack, and I ordered some other stuff, kind of some dress up stuff like new coil packs, you know, a wiring loom holder, cold air, put the heat shield back in, which isn't perfect, but just kind of getting the car stanced up. All the stuff for the mold making kit to make the wide body kit will be here tomorrow, so pretty soon we're going to be getting into the old wide body setup on this car. But if you guys like this video, let me know. Maybe I'll get some POVs driving it around Stage 2 Plus. Definitely make sure to type on down in the bottom what you think. Put a lot of time into this one. I don't think I've ever put this much time and effort into a car, to be honest. Kind of crazy. Y'all, oh, what a bunch of work. I will see y'all in the next one.